Hi guys, Alexis Stone here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, what we're going to be doing is going over pretty much the look that James Charles created with his new James Charles X Morphe palette launch campaign, and he did the Unleash Your Inner Artist thing. Now, it's gone completely viral on the internet, so I decided to jump on the bandwagon, and I've already filmed the entire thing. Didn't film an intro, so here's my intro. Are here and you like what you're gonna see, then make sure you smash that like button, and if you don't like me and you don't like the contents of this video, then why are you here? Please. And with all that being said, let's just get right on into the video. Off, and he has his base already done, so I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my primer for my lids, and we'll be right back.
Why does that one look so good and this one does not?
Brush and dip into the shade Escape, and I'm going to pop this right on the outer corner and start to
Okay, so he takes this dark purple, which I'm using the Take Me to Brazil palette because his palette's obviously not out yet. Hello. If it was, back to Brazil palette, because it has the same color scheme, so we're going to be able to achieve the same look.
Literally since starting in the makeup game, and of course there's been a lot of really bomb palettes, but one of the problems with rainbow palettes, I feel like, is that they all look so beautiful inside the actual palette, but a lot of the shadows don't actually apply that pigmented onto the skin. But I really wanted to create really pigmented, really bomb, and really bright rainbow colors, and through doing that, some of the matte shades are either matte or some of them are actually pressed pigments, which means you just have to work with them in a little bit of a different way, and that means packing on that shadow first. I'm next going to grab another M433 brush and dip into the shade Single, which is that lighter purple shade, and I'm going to use this to lightly diffuse out the edges. I'm just going to tuck that right into the crease as well. Moving on, we're going to
So like that.
Crease as well. Moving on, we're going to come back to that in a little bit. Now that the purple's all placed on the outer corner and it's all set in place, I'm just going to grab an M441 brush and dip into B, which is the bright yellow shade. This is by far the best bright yellow shadow I have ever tried. Look at this. Ready?
So we're just going to push this down on the outside. Hello, and into the nose contour. Okay, so that was good, fresh, and helpful. Now we're gonna go in with red.
Why is it called that? You're gonna find out when I put this on. You're kidding.
Okay, so the red he uses is like very bright red. I'm using the 35B palette from Morphe, which is not available. Otherwise, I'd say use code James for 10% off. But we're just gonna tuck that right after the yellow. That's what it looks like he's doing. You're kidding. How far does he drag it? Let's see.
Look at that pigmentation. Oh my god, that is like true red. Red is one of the shades that I was most excited about.
Just to make that more vibrant again. Okay, hold on. That's what we have the tape down, y'all. That's why we have the tape. This is the exact reason why the tape is there. Okay, and then he goes into his crease with it. Okay. sis. Alright, so into the crease. How far does he go? That takes up way too much product. I need a tiny brush. The M562. I think that's kind of close to what he's using, but we're gonna dip in the black a tiny bit. Don't want to use too much. Blending that back in through him. Goodness. Okay, so now we're using. Okay. Now we're gonna cut our crease. Okay. Now here's the problem. With him not having his palette out yet.
I don't have a light like that.
So we're gonna cut our crease with Wet n Wild paint pot.
I have 124 brush. This is just a tiny little packing brush, and dip into the shade Acapella, which is our metallic blue shade. And I'm going to give it a little bit of fluffy brushes and just go lightly over those edges to even diffuse it. Best, most pigmented, even more of that concealer on the.
I use for the all over face paint whenever I do the white. Okay, so let's just take this and cut that crease, babe. So we're gonna go into Cake Face because it is white. It's very white. Glucose is also white. I'm not saying one's better than the other. This was honestly closer in my makeup collection, like to me. And I'm just gonna pack that on because I really want it to be white, like his look in the video. Oh, it's not showing up in person, but it really is on camera. Holy shit. Oh, wait.
This edge. And on that same brush.
Okay, so we're doing the metallic blue first. Metallic blue, this one. And I'm in the 35B.
Let's get for a real one.
Now he goes in with, so that dark blue is right there, and to blend it into that, he goes in with a darker blue right on the outside to blend that into the purple. Okay. Cool.
Of that dark blue and the white. Just to add some more dimension to the lid, I'm going to use the Peaches and Cream glitter base and a few different glitters.
Hold on. Hi guys, I just popped on a lash off camera because for 20 minutes straight I just didn't focus camera. Focus! Okay. Now we get some mascara and just blend those two together because this obviously does not look like my natural lash line. But I am a woman. It's W-O-M-A-N. So, yeah, that's pretty much this look complete. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera to save some time because this literally has taken 2 hours. I'm not gonna put that in there. I'm gonna go through and actually recombine these lashes so that it gets this white off the tips. Bitch, come off. Now you know. Okay, basically, T. I look like Trade. Oh, my nipple's showing. Alright.
Shut the fuck up, cause I'm a fuck up, and I'm so fucked up, and it's 5 p.m. and I just woke the fuck up, and I'm so fucked up. Sorry, but I promise that I hate me more than you do. Lose you, but that's a life and style that I'm used to. Fucked up, and it's 5 p.m. and I just woke up.
Unleash your inner artist.
out of white. That's awesome. Okay, I've been a follower of his now for almost 3 years, and before he was famous, back when he only when he had like a Instagram channel, and I am so proud of him. Like literally, I know that everyone says that they're so proud of him, and he's the most talked about thing in the world, so it doesn't really matter what I think, but I am a longtime supporter of his and follower. He is much younger than I am, and I don't care about that. I think he's successful, smart, goal-driven, and this campaign is just so beautiful. I thought the artwork was amazing, the concept was incredible, and I can't wait to get your palette. So, you know, comment down below, let me know what your favorite part of this video was. I really enjoyed doing this video. I'm going to start doing more tutorials like this, because honestly, I've got the talent to do it. I can't believe I actually did this. Like, honestly, I'm looking in my viewfinder right now, not viewfinder, I'm looking at my thing right now, and like, just I'm amazed. And this is so artistic, and this is so beautiful, and I've really enjoyed this. Also, don't forget you can pick up my highlighter at newmecosmetics.com. Plug right here.